Welcome back to Quiz Nebula TV. It's time to put your animal knowledge to the ultimate test. Answer all 25 questions, challenge yourself, and see if you can earn a perfect score. Let's get started. Can you guess which animal has the stronger bite? Alligator delivers one of the strongest bites in the animal kingdom. Who makes the loudest calls? Howler monkey is famous for its incredibly loud calls that can be heard for miles. Between these two big cats, who is stronger? Tiger wins this battle with its greater size and strength. Which animal is famous for finding truffles? Pig has an excellent sense of smell for locating hidden truffles. Can you identify the smallest mammal? Bat takes the title as the world's smallest mammal. Ready for a speed challenge? Which one comes out on top? Cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth. Which intelligent animal can recognize itself in a mirror? Dolphin is one of the few animals that can recognize itself in a mirror. Who can take a nap while standing? Horse can rest and even sleep while standing up. Which amazing sea creature has 3 hearts? Octopus surprises everyone with its 3 hearts. Can you spot the animal that changes its color? Chameleon changes color to communicate and blend into its surroundings. Which animal can stay asleep for up to 3 years? Snail can remain dormant for years during harsh conditions. Who has the longest canine teeth? Tiger has longer canine teeth than a grizzly bear. Which sleepy animal spends around 20 hours a day resting? Koala spends most of the day sleeping in the trees. Which tiny creature throws the strongest punch? Mantis shrimp throws one of the fastest and most powerful punches in nature. Can you find the bird that can't fly? Chicken is the flightless bird in this challenge. Which animal spits to protect itself? Llama spits as a defense against threats and rivals. Which insect colony is ruled by a queen? Ant colonies are led by a queen. Who is recognized around the world as a symbol of peace? Dove has long been a worldwide symbol of peace. Which hardworking animal builds dams across rivers? Beaver builds impressive dams using branches and mud. Who is considered the smarter animal? Pig is widely known for its remarkable intelligence and problem-solving skills. Which creature is the most venomous? Jellyfish includes some of the most venomous animals found in the ocean. Which animal sleeps through the winter? Hedgehog survives winter by hibernating. Can you name the animal that has no brain? Starfish has no brain, yet it can still move and feed. Which animal is famous for its laugh-like call? Hyena is well known for its distinctive laugh-like vocalizations. Finally, which animal can change its sex during its lifetime? Clownfish is the correct answer. It can naturally change from male to female during its lifetime. Congratulations, you made it to the end. Did you score 25 out of 25? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next Quiz Nebula TV challenge.